Hello, this is Mark from Brisbane Car Shed, and this is a 2005 VZ Commodore Ute. White, obviously, 172, just under 1,000 kilometres. They're alloy wheels, they're not standard, and great thing about this ute, you can get a feel for the overall condition of it by the video, but it's dual fuel. So the LPG tank is just in the back here. I'm going to lift that up and show you. Can you see down there? Beautiful, so it's dual fuel. Alright, if you would like, and there's Paul in the background, he's who you will call if you'd like a test drive. It's 0411 36 222 9. Thank you, Brisbane Car Shed.